If your pool water feels weird or is messing with your skin, it's probably too acidic or too basic, and you gotta fix that pH balance pronto. So first, grab a reliable pool water test kit. Those strips or liquid tests work fine. Just make sure you're checking the pH level. Aim for a pH between 7.2 and 7.8 because that's where the water feels comfy and clean. If your pH is lower than 7.2, it means your water is too acidic and you'll want to add some soda ash to bump it up. If it's over 7.8, your water's basic, so you'll need some muriatic acid to bring it down. Always add chemicals slowly and in small amounts, then wait a few hours before testing again to see where you're at. Remember to wear gloves and keep kids and pets away while handling these chemicals because safety first. Also, keep your pool filter running to help spread the chemicals evenly across the water. Doing these checks and adjustments weekly keeps your pool chill, clear, and safe for everyone. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool pH balance is not testing their water often enough, which can lead to skin irritation or cloudy water. Fix this by making testing a weekly habit. Another common issue is adding too much chemical at once, causing swings in pH levels that stress out your pool equipment. Fix it by adding chemicals gradually and retesting after a few hours. The third problem is ignoring other water chemistry factors like alkalinity and calcium hardness, which mess with how your pH behaves. Keep those balanced too by checking your full water chemistry regularly and adjusting as needed. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking for trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you score real jobs with homeowners who need your expertise. Win-win all around.